Hi guys, welcome to this channel. Today we are discussing another interesting topic that is about the combustion and the harmful effect of the three main harmful effects of combustion. So these are the wildfire, acid rain and global warming are the three main effects of combustion. And next, before going to that, we have to understand what is combustion. Combustion is a chemical process in which the substance react with oxygen to give off heat is called combustion. Sometimes that is light is also emitted and it is known as flame, and the combustion is the burning of fuel itself. Next is type of combustion. The combustion is classified into three, and first one is the rapid combustion. Rapid combustion means this is mainly occurs in the case of gas. Gas burns rapidly and produce heat and light. That is the rapid ignition of gas is known as rapid combustion. Next is the spontaneous combustion. What is spontaneous combustion? In this, material suddenly burst into flames without any application of an apparent cause. There is no cause is needed, or ignition is not needed for this type of combustion. That is, this is a suddenly burst is the spontaneous combustion. Next is the explosion. Another type is explosion. When ignited, there is no here a cause is required. That is, when ignited, the sudden reaction takes place with heat and light, and at the same time sound also produced, and a large amount of gas is also liberated. This is in the case of ignition of crackers. In festival season we can see that heat, lights, sound, and at the same time large amount of gas is liberated. This is known as explosion. And these are the three main types of combustion. And now we can go to this harmful effects. That is, first one is the wildfire. Wildfire is what? It is the uncontrolled fire in forest or grasslands or savanna is known as wildfire. That is, it is uncontrollable, and it is due to the second type of combustion. That is, the spontaneous combustion is one of the reason for wildfire. That is, wildfire is a type of spontaneous combustion, and in spontaneous combustion, materials suddenly burst into flame without any apparent cause. In the case of wildfire, the heat of the sun or the lightning strike, that is important. That is, the heat of the sun or lightning strike is enough to catch fire in forest. That is, the dried leaves or branches, twigs, that is the twigs itself, get burned due to the heat of the sun or lightning strike is the reason for this wildfire. However, most of the fires are due to the carelessness of human beings. That is, the campfires must be completely extinguished. Sometimes it is not completely extinguished. This carelessness is the main reason for wildfire. So after campfiring, we should leave the forest after complete extinguishing of the fire. That is the main thing we have to remember. This is wildfire. Next is the acid rain. Another harmful effect is acid rain. What is acid rain? It is the rainfall made so acidic by the atmospheric pollution. That is due to the pollutants in the atmosphere along with rain comes into our ground. That is, the earth itself is known as acid rain. That means the burning of coal or diesel, that is, keep in mind, coal or diesel releases an extremely suffocating corrosive gas called sulfur dioxide. That is, the coal or diesel burns to give off this sulfur dioxide, and whereas the petrol engines give off gaseous oxide of nitrogen. That is, petrol gives out nitrogen gases, nitrogen oxides, and coal and diesel give off sulfur dioxide gases. And these oxides of sulfur and nitrogen dissolves in rainwater and forms acids. Such rain is called acid rain. That is, these pollutants in the atmosphere along with our rainwater comes into ground, and it is known as, that pollutants mix with water, rainwater, and form acids and come into ground. This is known as acid rain, and it is very harmful for crops, buildings and sowing. This is there is one remedy is here, that is a compressed natural gas, that is CNG. Instead of diesel and petrol fuels in automobiles reduces pollution. That is, instead of diesel and petrol fuels, CNG should be used in order to reduce this pollution. This much is about acid rains. Next is what is global warming. The third harmful effect is global warming. What is global warming? It is the unusual rapid increase in the Earth's average surface temperature. That is, the temperature of the Earth's surface increase is known as the global warming. And what is the reasons? That is the, just think about our polar regions, that is North Pole and South Pole of Earth. There are ice glaciers are there. That is, it is completely icelands are there. That regions are completely icelands. That is, the ice glaciers in the polar regions are the main carbon absorber of the world, and they absorbs a lot of carbon dioxide that release in the atmosphere by burning of fossil fuels. That is, the fossil fuel burning releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, and the ice glaciers in the polar region are the best absorber of this carbon. The pollutants released by the industries cause these ice glaciers to melt. That is, the pollutants come into atmosphere is the main reason for these ice glaciers to melt, and if the ice melt, less amount of CO2 will be absorbed. That is, the CO2, that is the carbon dioxide, is absorbed by these ice glaciers. When these ice glaciers melt, means less absorption of carbon dioxide taken place. This will affect the Earth's climate. That is, the more carbon dioxide means the greenhouse effect cause global warming and will cause more ice. As the temperature increase, more and more ice to melt, and which leads to rise in the sea level. That is, as the ice glaciers melt, it leads to the sea itself. That is, that water, that is the melting of ice results the waters lead into the sea level itself and causing flood in the coastal areas. That is, the low-lying coastal areas may even be permanently submerged under water. That is flooding occurs in the coastal areas. That is, the global warming results in flooding itself. So this much is the video that is about our harmful effects of combustion, that is acid rains, wildfire, global warming are the main harmful effects. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.